Ashok Leyland, the pioneers of Indian commercial automotive technology, revolutionized BS4 emission norms for Indian conditions with IEGR, a remarkable achievement which received an overwhelming response with sales of more than 1 lakh trucks with BS4 IEGR technology engines in the first year itself. It delighted customers with its superior fuel efficiency and no hassles of filling AdBlue, to name a few. And now, Ashok Leyland is all geared up for another breakthrough that combines the benefits of IEGR with the efficiency and proven reliability of the SADA inline pump technology to create one of the smartest, most powerful and efficient engines in its class. Presenting InnoLine technology on the H-Series engine from Ashok Leyland, the world's first and only BS4 engine driven by an inline pump, designed in India, made for the world, and upgradable to BS6. Coupled with the simplicity and performance of the widely known SADA fuel injector pump that maintains a flat torque, optimized fuel flow, and adapts to a low idle speed. Its contemporary modern design minimizes electronics and wiring, and yet incorporates the proven reliability of mechanical components. The InnoLine engine's long lifetime is ensured by state-of-the-art inbuilt speed limiting and thermal protective devices that keeps monitoring engine and driver activity to automatically optimize engine speed and temperature. Ashok Leyland's InnoLine engine assures maximum engine performance even in extremes of weather conditions. The H-Series InnoLine engine is not fuel sensitive, simple and hence easily serviceable even by local mechanics. Equipped with a smart self-diagnostic technology, it allows easy fault detection via Bluetooth and apps for faster and efficient servicing. Ashok Leyland's all-new InnoLine technology with the simple and reliable inline pump, an innovation designed in India, made for the world. Propel your business with an engine that is upgradable to BS6 from Ashok Leyland. आपकी जीत हमारी जीत.